The acting Chief Justice Roxanne George today ruled that GECOM's house-to-house registration exercise is not unlawful or unconstitutional.
As in its case before the Caribbean Court of Justice, all requests made by the opposition to the High Court were refused by the Chief Justice. Accountant Christopher Ram had sought the court's assistance to put an end to the house-to-house registration being conducted by the Guyana Elections Commission. The Chief Justice ruled this afternoon that there is nothing illegal about the very important exercise. Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Senior Counsel Basil Williams said the judgment was well-reasoned.
What is very important is that the house is not unconstitutional. No date was ever fixed by the CCJ, and she wouldn't fix the date either. Nor no elections are to be held in 3 months, as they had contended. And generally, there was nothing that was asked for by the applicant that was successful.
Ram, through his attorney Anil Nandlal, had asked the court to set a time frame for elections for September 18. However, Chief Justice Roxanne George said the language of the CCJ was quite clear. She said the highest appellate court refrained from setting a date for the elections and that the lower court will also follow suit.
The court could not, and this court cannot, refix the date of the NCM to June 18, 2019, when it was validly passed on December 21, 2018. It is not within the jurisdiction of the court to do so. To do so would be to disregard the rule of law and act contrary to the dictates of the Constitution, which the court is duty-bound to uphold.
Another challenge before the Chief Justice was the legality of the appointment of GECOM lawyer Stanley Marcus. The court found that in the absence of a chairman, the CEO is the next most senior functionary and was well within his right to select an attorney to represent the Commission. Chief Justice Roxanne George ruled that the applicant, Christopher Ram, will pay the Chief Executive Officer $500,000, while 75% and 80% of that amount respectively will be paid to GECOM's lawyer and the Attorney General. Reporting for InfoHub, Alexis Rodney.